How to find referral code in GoTyme. So to find your referral code in GoTyme, you'll need to contact the marketing team or the designated representative. They will provide you with a unique referral code to share with your friends, and you will receive it according to GoTyme from your email. So in order to do that, first you might want to contact GoTyme. You'll need to reach out to GoTyme's marketing team or the representative. You can do this through the email or other contact channels provided on the website or the app. And you can also request your referral code. So inform them that you want to be a GoTime partner and request your own unique referral code. And lastly, you can receive your referral code. They will provide you with a code which you can then share with your friends, and you will check your email. Make sure to check your emails or your spams. If you're not having checked yet, you will receive your code there. So these are some important notes to take. So for unique code, each GoTime partner will have their own unique referral code. And you can send an invite. You can also use the send an invite feature in the GoTime app to send money and invite others to open an account. And while this is a way to refer friends, it doesn't directly show your referral code. So it instead sends the invitation to open an account. And that's how you can basically find referral codes in GoTime.